Hi, this morning I have a solar Photo 800 light back because it's not charging, and looking at the charging terminals you can quite obviously see they're discoloured, so these will need to be cleaned up. This is a really simple task, so it's a good one to show people. So I tend to use some jewellery cleaner for this. Just put that onto, see, before I start this, shouldn't take 2 minutes too long for this. Just gonna put some cleaner onto the charging terminals. Let that soak in a bit, and you can see already they're starting to clean up pretty good. And just use some wire wool. You can buy this wire wool. I bought this one from a decorating centre. Just buy a big bag of wire wool, and you only need a little bit. Just rub it into your thumb and fingers, and you can just poke it in the hole and just spin it round in the hole. If you haven't got jewellery cleaner, you can use vinegar, and you can see that's so much better already. Get the wire wool, and rub that on there. So it's a real simple fix you can do. Just gonna and that's actually come up really clean. Really well. I think this will start charging absolutely fine now. Now I haven't got the charger back, so I don't know what the condition is on the charging terminals of the charger. But again, you can do a similar sort of thing with that. Obviously make sure it's not plugged into the power socket first. So leave the charger so it's completely discharged, and you can rub that on there. Obviously not a great idea to actually short across both charging terminals with the wire wool, but it's not a direct connection to the battery. It has to go through the circuit board and through the charging circuit. Give that a bit of a clean up. And as you can see, that's cleaned up so much better. I'm sure that will start charging now. You can drop some jewellery cleaner back in it again and do it again, but I will fully charge this light. Then I will put it in a bucket of water and discharge it, and then I'll do that process 2 or 3 times and probably give it another clean up, and we should be good to go. Just going to get a charger plug the charger in. When I plug the charger in, the dashboard lights come on. Now they've actually come on green at the moment, which would indicate there's quite a lot of power in the battery. But I'm going to disconnect it and switch the light on, because I probably suspect actually there is quite a lot. Oh no, there isn't. So yeah, as I suspect, the battery hasn't been charged for a while, so it's now switched itself back down onto a very low setting, which is what I would expect. It's now gone out altogether, so it's only lasting a few minutes and then going out. So I'm going to switch that off, and then now when I put the charger in, oh, it's gone back to the green lights, which is interesting. Okay, so we're going to cycle this a few times, and what I mean by that is I'm just going to fully charge it, cycle it down, recharge it, cycle it down, just to get everything back into normal thing, because I would expect these lights to be flashing red now, not green. So they normally go, when the battery's really low, it will go flash red, then it will go to amber, and then it will go to green. So this light will be absolutely fine, but I just need to cycle that a few times through on the power, and it will reset itself back to normal. Hope you found that interesting. Real simple fix. So just some wire wool, which can be got from I got this from a decorating centre, and a bit of jewellery cleaner, and everything gets cleaned up. Real simple. Thanks for that.